Icicles on your gutters and overhangs can be a real safety hazard. As icicles melt, they refreeze on walkways and entranceways, causing dangerous slip hazards. But they're not the only problem. They're actually part of a much bigger problem called ice dams. The buildup of snow on your roof eventually turns into water and slush due to the sun and the heat generated from your home. The water and slush refreezes and becomes the ice dam or icicle on the edge of your overhang or gutter. Initially, the ice dam is small and not really an issue, but as the snow melts and rebuilds, the ice dam continues to grow and causes expensive damage to the roof, gutter, or interior of your home. Repairs will help only until the next winter, when it starts snowing again, and the cycle will repeat itself, and you will need to pay for repairs again. So what can you do? Here's the solution. A unique heated gutter guard called Gutter Glove Icebreaker, or our patent-pending Ice Armor heat panels. These heated gutter guards and heat panels will prevent the icicles and ice dams from ever forming. They will protect your roof and gutters and save you money every winter. Gutter Glove Icebreaker and Ice Armor heat panels, the most advanced ice dam solution, will safeguard you, your roof, and your gutters. No more icicles, no more ice dams. The permanent ice dam solution.